Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
I will be presenting our micro project of emerging trends in computer under the guidance of Priyanka Khalate ma'am. The project members are Aditya Power, myself, and my colleague Pratik Khopde. Without further ado, me and my partner would like to shift your focus on our today's topic, that is credit card fraud as an identity threat. Identity theft defined when someone uses your name, social security number, or other personal information to commit fraud or engage in other unlawful activities. This is when identity theft comes into action. Here is a literature survey. During the past decade, a new variety of crime has emerged. Identity theft. Every time you use your various forms of identification, you share your personal information with others. So whenever you share a personal, or we can say a post or a blog onto the internet, it might contain some of your personal information which comes into the vision of others. Use of social media. Many of the identity thefts, or we can say most of the thefts, happen on social media. As you can see, the pie chart shows the percentage of how many digital social media sites come into action when identity theft is involved. So why digital media? Digital media is a dream come true for fraudsters. 3 billion people, that means the 40% of the globe's population, are active on social media. As we all know, there are many cyber attacks on different countries. Recently, the data of the Domino's app was stolen by the hackers. Social media scam. First one is the hidden URL, which are the most, and we can say most used type of scams. There are many hidden URLs that tell us that there is a prize, or we can say a voucher for such company or such a market, but there are actually fake. They are very common on Twitter, and while they could innocently direct you to the correct site, there is always a chance they might divert you to one which installs malware. Free app downloads. Often these APKs ask you your personal information. So always be aware of your granting the permissions to your app. Before getting new apps, ask yourself if you trust the source. Do your research and avoid third-party app stores. Use your unique passwords. Always change your passwords monthly, because people often have all the same passwords for their account, which is dangerous. Vulnerability exploited means there are many loopholes in our system through which hackers can get access into our accounts. So to avoid them, here are some methods. Don't post your personal details. Make your accounts private. Stay clear of strangers on social media. Open new credit card account using your name, date of birth, and CVV. When the bill are not paid, the delinquent account is reported on your credit report. Always be aware of your online shopping, or we can say while entering your credit card account, whether the site is genuine or not, or whether buying a new product. While phishing attempts use this information can be used to gain trust in order to obtain non-public information through online conversation. GPS enable force sharing your location can reveal sensitive information like your home address, work address, and the places you visit. Request money. For fraudsters misuse the request feature on UPI by sending fake payment requests with messages like enter your PIN, UPI PIN to receive money. But these are actually fake. The RBI has given strict rules to these apps to not to avoid fraudster effects of fraud. As we all know, the effects of fraud can be more and more severe. Evidence from our other customer international members suggests that the amount of money being lost per scam is increasing. In addition to financial losses, victims of scam can be affected mentally and emotionally also. So, imposter scams where criminals pose authentic brand reviewers and well-known figures to trick customers out of money can cause reputational damage to the individual or organization. Precautions to be followed. Keep financial data separate. Always know your bank account and get a monthly credit list of your credit card. Know who is asking. Always trust on genuine sites for buying a product like Flipkart and Amazon. Order a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Place your password on credit card, bank and phone accounts. To minimize the risk of computers, here are some methods which you can follow. Use a firewall, use a secure internet browser, or you can install antivirus such as NPFB, McAfee, etc. If you are victim of such identity thefts, here are some procedures to be followed. File a report with local police department or the police department where the theft took place. Always insist on the written police report and obtain a copy as soon as you can. Discussion later happened. With these discussions, we can provide a secure way of electronic transaction and in which the money is involved. Thank you.
Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.